In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a personalized first name to your emails in Klaviyo. This small step can make your messages feel more personal, improving engagement and building a stronger connection with your audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Start by opening the email campaign you want to edit in your Klaviyo dashboard. Here, I have a sample message ready that will personalize. Personalization is key. It makes your communication feel direct and individual to each recipient. Next, look for the personalization icon in the editor toolbar and click it. A drop-down menu will appear with several personalization options. For this tutorial, select first name. Klaviyo will now automatically pull each recipient's first name from your database into the email. What if a recipient doesn't have a first name stored? Don't worry. You can set a fallback, a default word that appears if the first name is missing. For example, type there. This way your greeting reads, "Hi John" for those with a first name and "Hi there" if no name is available. Once your fallback is set, click Insert. You'll see a dynamic field appear in your email, usually represented like first _name default there. When you send the email, Klaviyo automatically replaces this variable with each recipient's first name or the fallback text. And that's it. You've now created a personalized email experience in just a few steps. Adding first names makes your messages warmer, more approachable, and more likely to drive engagement. Keep experimenting with these personalization features. They'll soon become a seamless part of your email marketing strategy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Klaviyo tips and tricks.